Understanding lawn repair, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're going to dive into a very specific but interesting English phrase, lawn repair. This phrase might seem simple, but it's packed with meaning, especially for those of you who are passionate about gardening or home maintenance. Let's explore what this phrase means, its components, and how you can use it in everyday English conversations. Lawn repair is made up of two words, lawn and repair. Let's look at each of these words separately. Lawn. A lawn is an area of short, mowed grass in a yard, garden, or park. It's a common feature in many homes and public spaces. Repair. This word means to fix something that is broken or damaged. When combined, lawn repair refers to the process of fixing or restoring a lawn that has been damaged or has deteriorated. Lawn repair might be necessary for several reasons. Understanding these can give you a better context for using the phrase. 1. Weather damage. Extreme weather like droughts or heavy rain can damage lawns. 2. Pests and diseases. Lawns can be affected by insects or diseases that harm the grass. 3. Physical damage. This can be caused by heavy foot traffic, playing games on the grass, or pets. 4. Neglect. Sometimes, if a lawn isn't taken care of properly, it might need repair. There are different ways to repair a lawn, and knowing these can help you understand the phrase in different contexts. 1. Reseeding, planting new grass seeds in areas where the lawn is thin or bare. 2. Sodding. This involves laying sod sections of grass and soil, especially in large damaged areas. 3. Aeration and fertilization, aerating the soil and using fertilizers to improve lawn health. 4. Pest and disease treatment, applying treatments to eliminate pests or diseases affecting the grass. Now, let's see how to use lawn repair in a sentence. After the summer drought, our garden needed some serious lawn repair. I spent the weekend working on lawn repair, reseeding the bare patches. The homeowner's guide had a chapter dedicated to lawn repair and maintenance. I hope this video helps you understand the phrase, lawn repair, and how you can use it in your English conversations, especially if you're talking about gardening or home maintenance. Remember, learning such specific phrases can greatly enrich your English vocabulary. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to sharing more interesting English phrases with you in our next video.